All right. You get to say that part of it exactly.
What did you want me to say that you smelled? That's why I don't want to.
I'm an ice cream a lot.
Welcome to Full Throttle YouTube. We are currently here at Universal Studios Hollywood for Super Nintendo. Now I know today is I know for the past 2 or 3 days they did a soft opening for Super Nintendo World. However, even though it's rainy, let's go see if the land's open. So let's go. So I just did the virtual line for Super Nintendo World. It's on the app.
Well, he's a screamer, so I get motion sickness. All
right. You get to say that part of it exactly.
What did you want me to say that you smelled? That's why I don't want to.
I'm an ice cream a lot.
Yeah, it's that high pitch.
It happens at the Minions. I did that on the Minions.
Oh, the
Secret Life of Pets.
Same
Secret
thing.
Life of Pets. When I
No, but Secret Life of Pets is
Alright, so we got a virtual line for Super Nintendo World at 3 o'clock. So we got like 5 minutes, so let's go. Boogie to Super Nintendo World. Let's go. Oh my god, this is so cool. Yeah, I'm going. You going there? You going there? Awesome. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Oh my god, I'm so excited for Super Nintendo World. Got Bowser's eyes lit up like that. Look at that. That is so awesome. Oh my god. Ooh. Let's go. Even though it's drizzling today, let's go to Super Nintendo World. Oh my god. Just cannot believe that I'm finally here. After months of covering this, especially with the construction for Super Nintendo World, I'm finally here and I'm going to fully experience Super Nintendo World. So, like I mentioned before, you have to get, as of today, and I think they're on, you have to get a virtual queue, which you have to go on the app, or there's like a QR code if you're going inside the park. Now, from what I was told, was that you have to get scanned in to the park and then get your virtual queue, which I actually did. And I am going to Super Nintendo World. So excited, so ecstatic. Oh my god. Let's go. Alright, let's go inside the warp pipe. Oh my god. This is so awesome. Oh wow. Castle. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Oh wow. Finally going inside Super Nintendo World. Let's just bask this in. Look at this. Even though it's drizzling today, this is so magical. Look at this. Oh my god. This is cool. Got the little mushroom right here. Wow. Ho ho ho. I'm finally inside the land. Can you honestly God believe this? Oh wow. Let's just soak this in. I just want to go around this whole land and to check it out. Got the 1-Up factory over here. Got the little benches right here. I guess I got the 1-Up factory right here. Oh my Lanta. Oh my goodness. Got Toasters Cafe, which we'll have later on today. It's a little drizzly, a little sticky. This is so cool. This is so awesome. This is well worth the 5.5 hour drive from Arizona. Look at the castle. Oh. Wow, this is so cool. Here's where the Mario Kart 1000 challenge. We'll do that a little bit later, but I just want to just fully immerse myself in this whole land. Oh, wow, this is so cool. This is awesome. This is so awesome. I cannot believe this. Maybe during the nighttime I'll probably see what it is, so, but this is awesome. This is more than awesome. This is incredible. Incredible that we are finally here at Super Nintendo World. Even though it's a technical rehearsal, this is so cool. Now, if everyone's wondering if you buy the VIP tour, would you be able to go inside the land? The answer is yes. However, with the you'll be able to go inside the land as well as go on the ride. However, if you want to go on the immersive, things like the coins or the keys, you have to book a new reservation for this land. But first, let's go to the 1-Up factory and let's go get myself a power band. Let's go. Ooh. So we are here inside the 1-Up factory. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, little toe, look at that. Oh my goodness. Got the candies, got the merch. But what I'm looking for right now is I gotta look for the power-up band. So let's go find that one.
And that's when you like run to your.
This is so cool. I think this is the exit for the ride. So I might do that. Like I said, I'll do that later on today. But I just want to check this out. This is so cool. Love it. There you go. Love it. Look at that. There you go.
Please.
Yes. That's so cool. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's go get myself a power bank. Let's go. Yes, you got the power bank, you got the O, Princess Peach, Princess Daisy, Mario, Luigi, and Yoshi. Let's go get myself a Luigi. Let's go. So I got myself the Luigi power-up band. So cool. I'm gonna see if I can set it up. Let's go. As I mentioned, I got myself the Luigi power-up band. And this is the QR code you scan in on the app. So awesome. We got the Goombas. Look at Yoshi. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. I wish they had another ride for Yoshi. Like they wanted to Japan, but I guess they don't. So, you know what? It is what it is. But it's so cool. So I got my power-up band already linked up. As you can see, I got my little Luigi right there, and I'll set it up through the app. Look at this. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm finally here. And it's just the rehearsal, technical rehearsal, so let's go. He's a little hungry. Let's go to the mushroom Toaster Cafe, excuse me, so let's go. Let's go inside Toaster Cafe, let's go. Just go walk around here. Little toadstool right there. Look at that. Got little presents upon my head to deal a little bit later. Thank you. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Look at this. I guess I'm on the wrong line, but let's check it out. I think it's this way. You don't want to try the spaghetti as well as the beef. The power. I'm gonna try that. Wow, look at this. I know what I want. Thank you so much. I'm so in awe of this. This is so cool. I cannot believe I'm finally here. Oh my goodness. Look at those. This is so cool. Wow. This is so cool. This place is packed. So we gotta get waiting to be seated, but this is so cool. It's awesome. I can't believe I'm finally here.
Just put up a forward, please. Thank you.
Trash. Look at that. So cool. Now, as far as I was told, was that they bring the food to you. So I got my tray right here. I got the spaghetti with the tiramisu. So I'm gonna try those out. Look at this. This is so cool. This is awesome. Got the water pipes up there. Look at that. Sorry, excuse me. Dude, this is cool. This is so cool. Wow. And you know, these seats are actually very comfortable. Wow. Very, very comfortable. I thought they were going hard, but no, they're very comfortable. That's cool.
You're gonna get to pick them up.
Should be the current weather right now. Rainy. What's going on? What is going on? Uh-oh. What we got there? Bowser? You're like, you-kiddy, what's going on? This is so cool. Well, let's fill it with Look at the weather. Look at this. But oh my goodness, this is still awesome. It's so amazing. This is awesome. Should I go to Bowser's? Yeah, let's go to Bowser's. Let's go to Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. Let's go. Here in Super Nintendo World. Oh my goodness. And if you don't want to go in the one-up station, they got vending machines right here. So cool. Look at that. The Piranha Plant, the big time. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can do one of the challenges. So let's get one of the keys. So let's go. This is so cool. Thank you so much. Usually the carrots would be out right here, but however, since it's raining, I don't think they're gonna come out today. So it's raining really hard today. So you know what? It's all good. Let's continue on our adventure. Let's go. Super Nintendo World. It is exactly 5:01. Wow. And this park closes at what, 7? So yeah. So let's go to Baby Bowser's Challenge and let's continue on. Let's go. I'm super excited for this. I will be coming back to explore more of the Super Nintendo World. But let's go. Baby Bowser's Challenge. Let's go. Look at this view here at Super Nintendo World on a rainy day. Oh my, let's go look at this. This is so cool. I am here on, I think, Baby Bowser's castle. Look at this. This is sweet. Let's go up here. Look at that. That is awesome. Just want to take this view in. All the people. Wow. Got Peach's castle right there. Wow. This is awesome. This is so cool. I can stand here all day. So when I think out. What's up here? Oh wow. Come on, you everyone for tuning in to Full Throttle YouTube. We are here at Universal Studios Hollywood for the rehearsal for Super Nintendo World. As everyone might know, that Super Nintendo World will officially open on February 17th, 2023. However, there is a pass holder preview, which RSVP'd on last Monday, which I got mine. So I will be back here at Super Nintendo World. It was a little rainy day today, but you know what? I had a blast. So gotta collect a lot of coins and eat some good food. When I come back at pass holder preview, I will try some more food. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.